Hello everybody! Welcome to our third live video with top20english.com. Today I'm just going to give you a quick lesson on how to pronounce the S ending in English. So most of you probably know that S endings are super common in English. We use them to form plurals, and we also use them on third person singular of verbs in the present tense. Let me just read you this list of S ending words with the S ending on them. So we have houses, talks, plates, goes, thinks, raises, cars. So if you notice, all those words end with S. But if you were listening to my voice, you saw that it was pronounced in 3 different ways. So sometimes the S ending is pronounced as in houses and raises. Sometimes the S ending is pronounced as Z, like a Z, as in goes or cars. And then sometimes the S ending is actually pronounced as S, as in talks, plates, and thinks. So how can you know which way to pronounce the S ending? Thankfully, there's a rule that covers 100% of cases. You have to ask, what is the last sound in the word that you're adding the S ending to? What type of sound is it? So let me explain that to you using this chart. So sounds where the tip of your tongue is on the roof of your mouth, the S ending is pronounced as uz. So this is all the sounds in English that are this type of sound. So s, z, ch, sh, j. So if a word ends in any of these sounds, then you will pronounce the S ending as uz. So you see watch, like a watch that you wear to tell time. When you make it plural, it's watches. The S ending is pronounced as uz. Then for the rest of sounds, you have to ask, is it voiced or voiceless? So voiced sounds are sounds where you can feel your throat vibrate as you say the sound. And then voiceless sounds are where you cannot feel your throat vibrate if you have your hand on your throat. It's voiceless if you cannot feel your throat vibrate as you make the sound. So this is all voiced sounds in English. That's D, you can feel your throat vibrate, D, V, G, B, Th, L, M, N, M, R, and then all vowels in English are voiced. So when a word ends in a voiced sound, then adding the S ending will be pronounced as Z. It will also be voiced. The S ending becomes voiced. So any word that ends in one of these sounds will have the S ending pronounced as Z. So you can see one dog. When you add the S ending to make it plural, it becomes 2 dogs. I drive, if you add the S ending for third person singular, it's he drives. And then the last set is voiceless sounds. So sounds where when you say you can't feel your throat vibrate. So t, f, k, k, th. If a word ends in one of these sounds, then you pronounce the S ending as s. So one cat, T is voiceless, becomes 2 cats when you make it plural. I walk becomes she walks. So keep practicing this. Keep practicing using the correct pronunciation of the S ending by looking at what type of sound is the last sound in the word. I'll post this chart in the comments so that you can use it for your reference. I hope this was helpful to you. We're going to do the next video with a similar rule on how to pronounce ED endings in English. Don't forget to check out top20english.com for more resources for learning English. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.